Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the white circle on your iPhone. First, open your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility, then select Touch. Finally, toggle the Assistive Touch option to the On position. You will immediately see the white circle appear on your screen, ready for use. Now that Assistive Touch is enabled, you can customize its menu. Tap Customize Top-Level Menu to change the icons that appear when you tap the white circle. You can add or remove icons to suit your needs, making your most used functions easily accessible. You can also adjust the number of icons displayed from 1 to 8 to further personalize your iPhone experience. To make the white circle less intrusive, you can adjust its idle opacity. Go back to the Assistive Touch settings and find Idle Opacity. You can set it to a lower percentage, like 15%, so it fades when not in use. You can also drag the white circle to any edge of your screen to reposition it. Finally, you can assign custom actions to the white circle's gestures. Under the Assistive Touch settings, you'll find options for single tap, double tap, and long press. You can assign functions like taking a screenshot, locking the screen, or opening the control center to these gestures, making your iPhone even more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.